And a user manual. Do we need that? Wow, that works really good, guys. Hello everybody, I'm John. This is the Midnight Paint and Body channel, and this is another Midnight tool review. On this video, we're going to review the Patoolio 13-inch, 12-pound cordless snowblower. Alright, so I realize this tool isn't exactly auto body related, but figured we'd try it anyway. Here in British Columbia, where I am, it's December 1st, right now as I'm filming this, and we just got our first snow last night, and it is still snowing. You know, believe it or not, I was out on Saturday in a beautiful sunny day driving my 69 Firebird, which you might have seen the video on that. I just put the motor in it. But now it is snowing. It is winter out there. So, this is a Patoolio. I'm going to actually look at the specs rather than trying to memorize them. S20 cordless 13-inch 12-pound snowblower. So 13 inches wide, 8 inches deep, throws snow up to 19 feet. Long run time, 20-volt battery, clears up to 6 driveways per charge. Probably not as big as my driveway, but you get the idea. Yeah, lightweight, only 12 pounds, works in -13 Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit for driveways, patios, and steps. Safe lock battery operation. Oh yeah, that's pretty much all the specs. Let's see what else I can tell you here. Yeah, it says the 20-volt battery runs 15 to 25 minutes, enough for 6 driveways. Adjustable chute lets you direct the snow where you want it. Yeah, ergonomic, makes stair cleaning simple and comfortable. Yeah, you get the ideas. I was looking at the reviews, got a bunch of good reviews. Yeah, so there you are. Let's open this thing up and have a look. All right. Parts, pieces, battery, charger, and a user manual. Do we need that? Just kidding, we're gonna look at that. I'm just kidding about that. That's important. I would think it's important. All right. So, I would say this part's pretty straightforward. Obviously the handle. We will get to the instructions for that guy. Yeah. Okay. Battery charger, obviously. Battery, obviously. So, first thing I'm going to do here, I'm just going to plug this thing in, get this battery charging. Let's see. Oh, it shows it's mostly charged, but I'll throw it on while we get this thing ready. So, this looks very straightforward. I am going to just throw this together I don't think you need a step-by-step on putting a couple little nuts and bolts in. So we'll just spank her together and then we'll see how it works. All right, so I came over here to my front walk because the parking lot driveway over at the shop is all gravel. This is concrete. So let's give her the first try. Slide very good on that crate. Pretty impressive, actually. Oh, snow is about, I don't know, 3 inches deep, I would say. I'm doing this one-handed because I'm holding the camera. That works pretty darn good, I would say. Ah! Except don't drop it. Okay, trying to do things one-handed as usual. Well, let's just buzz the rest of this off. Wow, that works really good, guys. I'm quite impressed for a little machine that it is. Alright, well, let's go back over to the shop and have one last look at her. So this guy, quite honestly, works way better than I was expecting. Pretty impressive. The only thing I've noticed to turn, it's a little bit tough to turn those angle little blades that shoots the snow, but that's not a big deal. But super handy. Now obviously where I live, I've got a snowplow for the front of my truck. We've got a big yard, big driveway, big lot for the shop here. But if you live in a subdivision, you got a regular sized driveway, this would be fantastic. Doing the sidewalks in front of your house, in front of your business, stairs. It's, like I said, 12 pounds, so it is quite light and maneuverable. Now it does just slide on the ground, but obviously you're out in the snow, it doesn't really matter. There was some kind of sticks and grass sticking through the sidewalk and stuff out there where I was plowing or snow blowing. So it was catching up a little bit, but again, not a big deal because it's so light. So, if you're interested, guys, discount code midnight10 to get, I believe it's 10% off. Link in the description to Patoolio for the snowblower and their other products. And yeah, as always, thanks to these guys for sending this to me to try. Thanks to you guys for watching the video, and I hope we'll see you on the next one. We'll see you then.